Let's talk some numbers. I have a 6, a 2, and a 9. Are they written in order? No, they're not. And I've shown you with my little bees, my butterflies, and my little frogs, the difference between each number. So today, let's just practice. Let's look at some numbers and let's put them in order from smallest to largest. So if we're looking at the numbers 6, 2, and 9, which number is the smallest? That's right, 2. Which is the largest? 9. Good job. Which one goes in the middle? 6. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 comes after 2, right? 7, 8, 9. 9 comes after 6. Now, that's easy peasy, isn't it? Now let's look at these numbers. Woo-hoo-hoo. We have 56, we have 52, and we have 59. Okay, what family are they in? Do you remember? What family? Then remember, the first number tells you, when you're looking at the number, the first number tells you what family. Yes, the 50 family, and we know that Daddy is 50, that's 50 family, okay? Now, even though these numbers are bigger, can I still tell which one would come first? Can I look at them and figure it out? Sure, you could count it. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. I can do that. But can you just look at it and know which would come first, even if they're out of order? Well, remember, see my number line down here? 0, 1, 2. See them? Okay. In all families, we have a pattern. Remember, we started kindergarten year counting easy. We know this pattern by heart, don't we? Right? We're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we get to a new family. And the pattern repeats. 11, 12, 13. What comes next? 14. So it doesn't matter what family we're in, the pattern repeats itself. So, just like up here, when you have numbers that are all in the same family, okay, we all know that they're in the same family here. Look at the ones place. The ones place. Now, this is something that you're going to learn in first grade. Mrs. Tagberry just wants you to start looking at numbers a little bit different. Okay, so the family tells us, remember the daddy tells us what family we're in. This is called the tens place. And then this is called the ones place. Now remember when we would use our blocks and we would count them when we had a stack of blocks. Remember those the rainbow blocks that we connected? And we counted them in tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember we connected them all? Okay, so how many groups of 10 would I have to make 56? I would need 5 of these, because 5, 10, 15, 20, counting by 5s. But here we would be counting by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We need 5 of these. And then we would need some single blocks, or we could look at our single little bees. And we count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is 6 the same as 10? No. Okay, so it's less than. Is that confusing, or does that help to see that picture? All right, so looking at these bigger numbers, which number is the smallest? We have 56, 52, and 59. So using the same idea up here, which number is smallest? This one, the one in the middle, 52. Then what would be next? What would be the next number in line? If you need to check yourself, count. We're in the 50 family, so we're going to start at 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Keep counting. 57, 58, 59. Then this one. So this is the smallest. This one is the largest. And which one goes in the middle? This one does. Yep, and it would go boom right there. Okay, so looking at numbers, you can play with them and you can put them in different order. So I'm going to move this one out of my way and I'm going to bring in my other board. All right, so let's do this again. But this time I'm going to make it a little bit harder. For those of you that like a challenge, we have this number and this number and this number. Ooh. Now, in the ones place, what do all of these numbers have in the ones place? A 7. Oops, they're all the same then, right? No, they're not all the same. What family are they in? This one's in the 60 family. This one's in the 30 family. This one's in the 80 family. All right, let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Ooh, do you remember those numbers? Have you been counting at home, practicing? Let's write them down so you can see them. Do you know what a good practice for a cold, chilly day? Get a piece of paper out and see how high you can write your numbers. Count by tens, count by 20s, count by 5s, count by 2s, count by 1s. How far can you go? All right, now looking at this number line of 10, okay, which of these numbers is the smallest? Yes, 30 is smaller than 60 and 80, right? So here's 30 on the number line. Where's 60 on the number line? Here. And where's 80? There we go. See, I marked them all different so you can see them. Okay, so we'd say that 30 is the smallest. 80 is the largest. Okay, and 60 goes in the middle. So when I look at the numbers 67, 37, 87, that time I need to look at the tens place because look at the ones are all 7s. Ooh, did that make your brain hurt a little bit? Those of you that love numbers and playing with that, this is a fun game for you. Let's turn this over. I have one more. Okay. If it's too hard for you, get your pencil and practice writing some numbers so you can see the patterns. Play with the numbers today with mommy and daddy and have them ask you questions. Okay, so here's a mix. All right. So, are all the numbers in the same family? No, they're not. There's one that's different, isn't there? Okay, so look at the family they're in. All right. Then look at the ones place. We have 4 ones. Here in this ones place, how many do we have? 2. And how many in this one's place? 1, 2, 3. How many? Yep, look here. 9. And I didn't bring my tens blocks home. I should have. But we know that, once again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We can count our groups of 10, okay? So if we did, we could do, there's one block section of 10, one. So let's just pretend these are colored blocks of 10, okay? Do you see what I'm doing? Pretend that they're 10 in the squares. Okay. So which one is the smallest here? So we would have 1, 2, 3. And let's just pretend there's 10 blocks in there, okay? Without making them. How many should be here? Woo! Yep, 4. And how many here? 3 groups of 10. Good. Okay, so can you see the pictures? Sometimes pictures help us. So we have 34, 42, 39. Which one of these numbers is the smallest? Can you tell me? Ooh, is your brain hurting yet? It's okay, we're almost done. Have fun stretching your brain today. Which one number is the smallest? That's right, boys and girls. 34 is the smallest. It only has 3 groups of 10 and 4 ones. Now, which one is the biggest? Yes, this one. Why is it bigger? Because it has 4 groups of 10 and 2 ones. So 39 goes in the middle, right here. All right, so if I started at 1 and I counted from, let's go count from 1 to 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Do you see? Now does it make sense why we were thinking about before numbers and after numbers and counting and patterns and all that fun stuff? Yeah. Did it make your brain hurt? I'm sorry. Go take a break, get a snack, and then have fun adding and looking at numbers and comparing numbers today. Have mommy give you, just do 2. You don't have to do 3. But have mommy or daddy give you 2 numbers and you look at it. Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? And have fun doing that. Play with numbers. It's fun. It stretches your brain and you can make patterns. We started the school year making patterns with colors. That is super easy now, right? Now we're making patterns with numbers. Wow. Good job, kindergarten.